Hello guys, this is Starry. Today we are in the Shanghai warehouse to see our machinery which will be sent to other countries these days. Now follow me. Now the machines are over there. There are 2 units small excavators. The excavator manufactured by XCMG Group. The model is XE60DA. XCMG is the famous construction machinery manufacturer and the ranking 3rd in the world. Okay, so you guys must want to know the highlight of this excavator, right? XCMG increased the width and the thickness of the bucket teeth to improve the wheel resistance. Second, XCMG optimized the design of the arm and the boom and strengthened the key parts. In addition, the chassis and the track adopt international standards. The material was made by high-strength structural steel. Next, I will show you the engine. This engine is a Japan Yanmar engine, which is an environmental friendly engine, and you can see the engine directly, and it's easy to maintenance. You can change the filters and fill the gear oil easily. Okay, now let's see the interior of the cabin. You can see the suspension seat and the pilot control and the air condition are standard configuration. EVANGEL is a professional construction machinery supplier. We offer 1 year and 2,000 hours warranty. If you have interest about this machine, please contact me directly.